What is up, guys? Hope you're having a beautiful day. Today is amazing. I met some guys with Bob's Free Bikes. Guys, their heart is so big. All they do is repair bikes, and they give bikes to kids that are not fortunate enough to be able to have their own. And I don't know if you remember when you were a kid and how invigorated and how independent you felt when you were a kid. So for kids that are not in a position to feel that, these guys give back. And I also want to figure out, why don't they give out Big Wheels? I don't know, whatever happened to Big Wheels? Big Wheels changed my life, but I want to give you guys a quick sneak peek into what these guys do and what they're all about, because it's a really great cause. So we go in here, look at these amazing guys working hard. All right, guys, wave.
Again.
This is where the magic happens. They build them all up. Stay tuned, I'll show you guys some more pictures. Quick story of the owner after this.
Hi, my name is Bob, and I'm one of the founders of Bob's Free Bikes. The story is really very simple. We give a bike to a kid who doesn't have one. It changed the life of a child one bike at a time. There's nothing else to it. We collect used bikes, fix them up wherever needed, and then we give them away. You need to see the expression on a child's face when he gets his first bike. Come on and join us. Share in this power of giving a bike.